Hello, and welcome to High Score Labs series on EPI server. Um, on this episode, we're going to talk about walkthrough of personalization of the EPI server CMS. This allows you to personalize content to groups of visitors, so you can run promotions and hide or show content based on various criteria for the visitor. So we'll start with some virtual visitor groups here up on the menu. If you log in as admin, and then you go to visitor groups, you can click create, and you can see here that's the screen in the visitor group window that you can fill out. We'll just go ahead and give it a name, alloy meat promotion. This is going to be a promotion we're going to do, and you'll see in a second with the criteria how it's a point-based system and allows you to set points to certain groups and for certain content to show interest. So this will actually be for those who have expressed interest in alloy meat promotion. And we'll change the point system on the match. And here's your criteria. You got site criteria, visited pages, number of visits. All those things you can use to capture the audience metrics. All right, so we got visited category here. We'll just go ahead and drop that on, and you can change it to some metrics that we're looking for. We'll do the alloy meat category, so the page. We'll give it 2 points. Viewed at least 2 pages out of the total of 3. Let's go ahead and drop another criteria on here. This would be if the profile is a manager. We know that they're a decision maker in the company, so we'll give them some more points. And so now we'll go ahead and do number of visits. Let's go ahead and see if we can do more than 3. We don't want in total. We'll go ahead and do within a certain time period of several days. So we'll go ahead 2 months. So they'll have a cookie set. Okay, so now here we have visited pages. We can go ahead and create a funnel for that. We choose the categories for any of the pages in the alloy meat category. We'll change the threshold. Out of the 7 points total available, 3 out of 7 is good enough to match. And we'll go ahead and save the changes. Now, let's see, there it is, just making sure it's saved. Okay, cool, cancel that. So now we can create some blocks, and so we'll go back to the edit screen on the dashboard. And from here, we can choose the asset manager, go to blocks, and find our alloy meat. And we're gonna say new block. And we can choose, we're going to choose a teaser because it's a promotion that we're trying to offer. Let's go ahead and give it a name. We'll call it the alloy meat promotion. All right, and we chose teaser as the block type. We'll go ahead and put in 10% promotion for visitors who have expressed interest, and then choose an image. Gave it a title. And that's pretty much that. We can hit create. We'll go ahead and okay, so you see here it's got the different variations on the content size. Let's see. We're gonna hit back, edit screen, go back to the asset manager. See if we can't drag it in here. We gotta drag it and drop it. Let's see. Gets a little weird sometimes when you gotta scroll around. Now we're just gonna grab our teaser that we made, go ahead and drag and drop in front of the other large content area. Oh, in this case, in this case, it went ahead and put it below my main content. I'm gonna go ahead and reorganize that. Okay, now we're there. All right, so it's ahead of the main content area. You can click edit in the context menu in the top right, and then from there you can choose who can see this content. As you can see, there is a list of the visitor groups. Go ahead and choose the Alloy Meat Promotion visitor group, and then you can take it from there. And when you save it, any visitors that come through will, if they hit those metrics that we set up with the criteria, they will be able to see this promotion. So it's kind of cool how you can do that. Let's see. Go ahead and see. You can actually change your perspective in the dashboard to view the content as a potential visitor that matches a criteria that you choose. So in this instance, we're going to choose the Alloy Meat Promotion group, and that will allow you to, yeah, there it is, toggle view settings. That's the icon, and that'll allow you to go ahead and see what it looks like if you're one of them. All right, there it is. That's what it would look like if it's a manager or if they've come back to your site within 60 days, showing interest. And yep, so there's the visitor group. Everything's there. Now there is other criteria also. Other than site, you can do geolocation. You can use things like the IP address, the OS and browser, time of day, geographic coordinates, time periods, certain event types. So it's kind of interesting how you can break it all out. But yep, that's pretty much it. That pretty much goes over, you can go ahead and publish, but that pretty much goes over all the personalization abilities of the content management system. And I just want to let you know that here at High Score Labs, we have years of experience with the EPI server. We have worked with personalization, MV testing, multi-language and multi-site implementations. So feel free to reach out to us and see how we can help you. And thank you for watching. We have more videos coming in the future on some other content management systems. And if you haven't checked out our previous ones, go ahead and check out the previous videos on the EPI server. And thank you.